On June 26, 2021, the Castleberry, Florida Police Department received an unusual call from an employer who suspected her employee of theft.
26.
I never thought this would happen. It's okay. I treat my
And you got your initials you said on the dog?
When the officers arrived, they found her sitting on the ground, visibly shaken. She explained that she had set up a reverse sting operation, intentionally leaving a sum of money in the cash register to see if it would go missing.
the bank numbers. Plus, we have the serial numbers of the other $700 bills.
Okay.
So,
All right.
how do we do this? Do I just go in and just?
You just, how does she look?
She's got a long tan khaki skirt. She's got a black over jacket. She's the shorter of the two. She looks kind of Latin, but
Yeah.
I have the register tape too that she pulled it, like the timestamp too.
Okay, you got that on video? Or do you just the tape?
I just have me on video, but not her on video doing it. But I have the time that she went overtime on.
Yeah, of course. What's your phone number?
Excuse me, ma'am.
917?
She's on the phone with the customer.
Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, I'll get some pictures out to you, okay? All right, perfect. We'll give you a text, okay? I'll try to get them out to you today.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Castleberry Police Department.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm here today is because we got a call in reference to something. I was wondering if we could talk to you for a second. Okay?
Yeah, of course.
Is there somewhere we can talk to her?
If you want to privately, you can just go in the back.
Yeah, you go ahead and show us.
As the investigation unfolded, she revealed that later that day she had discovered several bills, each marked with the letter J, confirming her suspicions. The employee, eager to indulge in a lavish lifestyle, had taken the money and used it to purchase a stunning Louis Vuitton handbag and a brand new car.
Alright, I'm just going to read this out to you, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop questioning at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand the rights I just read you?
Sure.
Okay, so.
Tell us about you.
I was really just looking for a tampon. All I was doing was trying to look for a tampon. I thought I started my period, and I had moved this girl's bag. I only paid her back because I didn't want anything to happen. I didn't want it to be put on me because I'm not that kind of person. And the way she was talking to me, like, it felt like it was going to be...
Who was the she? Was it your manager or?
No, it was a girl at the party that I guess she had messaged me. And she said, like, I saw you, the one doing that.
Okay. And what's this young lady's name?
I didn't get to know her. I have it on my phone. I can show it to you.
Okay.
I think it started with an A.
Oh.
But she said, like, either way, I'm going to, like, put legal.
Okay. And where was this party?
It was at, like, a New Ways Event Center in Lake Mary.
Lake Mary. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we appreciate it, but that's not necessarily why we're here today. We're here because you're being accused of theft. However, the theft is not in regards to that party. It's in regards to something that's happened here today.
Okay.
So, you have a manager who advised us that, well, not manager, you have one of your other coworkers who's advised us that they left a certain amount of dollars, very identifying marks on that. And you were the only person in the store.
I will admit to that. So
Was it just today, or has it been in the past?
it was today, and then I've done it in the past before, but never, like, large amounts.
How much would you say?
Probably, like,
That's why we walked you up to the back.
300 maybe was the most beforehand. It's in my bag.
Okay, can I go look through that bag?
Yes, sir. It's going to be in that pocket.
If I'm wasting your time, I don't want to waste it. You guys have better things to do than this stuff. That makes sense?
No, that's theft, no matter where it's from, man.
No. Your time is valuable. It's just sad.
Alright, do you mind coming over here for me? Just to identify.
That's not my person. Can I take a picture, or do you care?
I already have all the pictures. This is going on in the report. Can you identify these bills?
Give me 1 second. Do you see any J's so far?
Let's move on.
I have serial numbers of the others. I gotta get the serial numbers.
Well, the J's I know are winners.
There's one J. There's my J's.
There's another J here. This is the only J, but I'll get you the serial number.
That's a J.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Caitlin, I need the serial numbers.
No.
So I'm going to talk to her and see what she wants to do. Okay. At this moment, like I said, you know, what she's alleging, it's a little bit more than 800. But like I said, for me, honesty is the best policy. Only thing I can do, have you ever been arrested?
No, sir.
So with situations that have happened, especially with things like death, you know, I can't promise you that, but you don't have a record. So there's no pattern there. Now the situation out of Lake Mary, that has nothing to do with us.
Yeah.
We're only here for this to happen today, and the stuff is happening over time. Okay, so like I said, it's not for us to sit there and be like, hey, you did this, to come in and hammer you about anything like that. No, it's wrong. You have to be accountable for it,
Yeah.
right? But it's not a situation where, like I said, it's not foreseeable that you could have a future after this. Okay, so I'm gonna go talk with her, and then I'll be. Because I don't want you to go back in there, and I'll be bothered. And I have to tell you, at this moment, you're being placed in investigative detention. I'm not gonna put you in cuffs or nothing like that right now. We'll get to that later, okay? We'll just go ahead.
Live supporting documentation.
May she, can she have a seat for a minute?
Of course.
Can she have a seat?
I
Okay.
have to go back to the door, so just bear with me.
You have your customary stuff. We'll do our best to keep it quiet, okay? Does this belong to you?
The $5
Yes.
that was given to me from her.
I owed her money for copies of 5 singles.
Oh, yes. Hey, listen, that's
Let me grab you some paper.
yeah. How many did you do on the press charges?
Yes, I do.
And
Because
is
I
it-
added it up. It's several $1,000s that's been going on. You're breaking my freaking heart. I have the documentation in my car. I wasn't prepared to turn it over because I was trying to rule it out. But I'll show you what I was preparing for my insurance company.
Okay, let's see that.
It's well over what she has here. I was hoping she would show it all, what you took this morning, and you didn't. So, no,
Hey,
I'm
well, let's not
sorry.
make it not contentious. Well, I wouldn't. And where was the other bit?
I told him it was in that back pocket of my bag, like
Which
that.
one?
The one with the zipper.
Right here?
Yeah.
Is that the rest of it from today, or
Yes, sir.
she put the J photograph? Is this all from this business?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna put your keys back in your purse if you don't mind.
Yes, that's fine. Thank
If
You
I-
think that much money's gonna go missing and nobody's gonna notice? I mean, it ain't $20.
I'm gonna go count my drawer because I can tell you what I had. Like,
Okay.
officially.
All right.
The police quickly apprehended the employee who initially feigned innocence. However, the evidence was overwhelming. As they conducted the arrest, the employer couldn't help but feel a mix of betrayal and relief. She had taken proactive measures to protect her business, but the realization that someone she trusted had stolen from her was a hard pill to swallow.
Alrighty, what's your name?
you. Yana.
Alright, Yana, do me a favor, stand up. Right now, you're gonna be placed under arrest for theft, okay? Do me a favor, lift your hands up. Do anything. I'm not gonna search you or anything. I'll let them do that at the jail, okay?
1360? Does that sound right?
30751 1015.
Does that sound right, ma'am? 1360?
I didn't have it.
Okay.
So it was only the one time before this? She took maybe like 300?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was making good money before and I was working a lot more.
So what, she cut your hours or something? Is there a reason why she did that?
To me, I feel like it's because I wasn't doing anything right. So it kind of sucked. But,
Okay.
so I'm going to go to jail.
Because of the amount. When she first called us, she gave us a number, and you would have gotten a notice to appear because you could have gotten. That's
Sorry.
our, yeah, that's our
Here's the new guy.
supervisor now. You would have got a next.
Sorry, memory stuff for me. I called him
Let me see
unnecessary.
that paper.
You can just look at all of it. You can have it.
And that 22,000 doesn't calculate the 13.
No,
the
because I didn't know
1300.
she was gonna. I actually came in because I was planning on just interviewing her.
Right.
She was not originally who I thought it was going to be. I was very shocked. I got it down to just, I ruled out everybody but her and another girl.
Yeah.
And I actually just thought it was the other girl, to be honest. I'm not going to lie to you. But now looking at all this evidence and the time clocks when she was here, it all lines up. Makes sense.
Do you recollect any of those things?
How much do you think you've taken over the years?
It's just this year, by
It's
the way.
just this
It's
year.
just this year.
How many?
I didn't keep track.
I mean, you got to have a ballpark in excess of $1,000.
How much was your purse? How much was your car?
For the year, I think
How much do you think? I want to hear what you think.
that was the most I've ever taken.
At a time or?
So she's missing $22,000.
That's
So if you don't think you took that much,
In the
you
end,
have a ballpark
the incident served as a cautionary tale about trust and the lengths some individuals would go to for material possessions. The employee faced charges, while the employer took steps to secure her store against future thefts.
try to keep it.
The once bustling shop now bore a somber reminder of a betrayal that could have been avoided.
Like I said, I'll